The dream of flying lives deep within us. Experiencing it is now possible for all. Awaken the dream and discover your new passion. Introducing DJI AVATA. The new generation DJI goggles 2 instantly transport you to the sky. They're smaller, lighter, more comfortable, and diopter adjustable. Fully focused on immersive experience. Whether you're new to flying or already a seasoned pilot, the motion controller makes you feel one with your drone. Just plug and fly. Pull the trigger and bolt forward. Or turn a corner with the swivel of your wrist. Flying is as easy as point and go. DJI AVATA brings high-quality imagery to every flight. The integrated camera system features an upgraded sensor. Totally immerse yourself and your audience by using the ultra-wide field of view. Capture cinematic footage in 4K resolution. Or freeze time with epic slow motion shots in up to 120 frames per second. Smooth and stable video, even as you swoop and dive, is now a reality with Rocksteady. And with Horizon Steady, you can lock your footage level for a cinematic feel. The low weight and small size of DJI AVATA makes it perfect for hitting the tightest gaps. The built-in propeller guard allows you to be more daring with your maneuvers. If AVATA makes contact with an object, it bounces back and maintains its altitude, so you can keep on flying. At the tap of a button, you can instantly halt to a stop and hover in place. Then, set off again when you're ready. Should AVATA fall on its back, activate turtle mode and watch it launch back into action. For additional safety, AVATA features downward sensors and return to home, keeping your drone safe on every flight. Enjoy a crisp live feed with DJI's flagship O3 Plus video transmission and snappy ultra-low latency response times. With an outstanding 18 minutes of flight time and a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, you can freely explore for longer and farther. Realize dreams, evoke imagination, and dare to fly with DJI AVATA.